Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book flight button. So first you have to select if you want to go on a one-way trip or a round trip. So if it's a one-way trip, then you have to set the origin country and then the destination as well. And then you have to select the departure date. So like that, and then you can select if your dates are flexible or not, and then you have to select the passengers. So just click on the plus sign next to the passengers, so if there's a children or an infant traveling with you. And then you can select if you want to travel on economy, premium or business class. And you can enter if you have a coupon code, but that's optional. So then just click on the search button. And as you can see, here are all the flights available for that date. So now you can just choose the one that's more optional for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.